Hi friends, yesterday we discussed the meaning and concept of management. And the meaning of management is to achieve predetermined objective successfully and effectively performing certain functions like planning, organization, direction, coordination, motivation and control is management. Today we will discuss the basic characteristics of management. The first characteristics of management is it is an art as well as science. We define management as an art and a science because management has certain certain characteristics of arts and certain characteristics of science. So it is a combination of art and science. Art art means performing any task or any function in the best manner. Art is basically depends upon your practice, while science means a study of cause and effect, or science is depends upon the certain principles. Management experts says management is 70 to 80% is art and remaining 20 to 30% it is science. There are certain principles of management, no doubt we know it, but how effectively or how you implement them is more important than knowing the basic principles. So it is the beauty of a manager, how effectively or in a particular situation how he implements the that principle, it makes him a failure or a successful manager. So we can say that management is an art as well as science. Then next characteristics, it is a process. When we define management as a process, it means we are discussing its functions. There are certain functions a manager has to perform to achieve his objectives. These functions are planning, organization, direction, coordination, motivation and control, as we have discussed this in its meaning also. So these functions are starts with planning and that ends with control. So we have to follow the certain steps to achieve our objective. So we define management as a process. Then next characteristics is management is a social process. Social process means we cannot imagine management in isolation. Whatever a manager does, he does in the society. Society means the different stakeholders of the management. Say for example we can say competitors, customers, employees, government, all are part of a society. So business is basically related with society, and management which is done in any organization or in business organization is also a social process. Then again, next characteristics, management is a group effort. Group effort means whatever a manager does, he does with other people. Other people means the person who are working in the organization are also contributing to achieve the objective. No matter how important position you held in organization, whether you are at the top level or at the bottom level, to some extent every person is contributing to achieve the objective. And the management means a collective efforts of all the persons who are working together. So we can say that management is a group effort. Again, next characteristics, management is to achieve predetermined objective. In the meaning of management, we discussed it. management is a ladder to achieve the predetermined objective of any organization. So, first, when a organization is established, we know that organization is established to attain certain objectives, and management is that ladder or that path which leads us to the objective. So, management, the basic function of management is to achieve the predetermined objectives successfully as well as effectively. Then again, next characteristics of management, it is a distinct activity. Distinct activity means it is a separate activity, it is a profession. Management is not ownership of the organization. Ownership is another thing and management is another thing. In the past, we know that the owner of the organization used to run the organization, but due to complexities in the management and due to some modern techniques in the management has become a distinct function or distinct activities. Persons who are expert in the management, who have a professional degree in this area, are managing the big organizations. So nowadays management has become a profession. Professional degrees are available there. A lot of courses are available in the market to make a person a effective and a good manager. So those days are gone when the owner of the organization used to run the organization. And last characteristics of management, it is needed at all level of the organization. We know that there are certain levels in an organization: top level, middle level, lower level. The form of management may change at levels. At top level, you need policy making, or you need thinking function, or at lower level you need supervisory work, etc. So the nature of job may change, but as far as need of management is concerned, it is needed at all levels of management. At lower level, we adopt certain techniques which are not applicable at the top level, and it is vice versa also. So these are the basic and fundamental characteristics of management.